It was never kindly Miquella, was it? The Erdtree was leading you all along, so that you might ascend to lordship. Why come to these lands to begin with? I suppose it must be what His Eminence, or perhaps the Erdtree desired all along. The clashing of the favored lords. Such that one would prevail, so be it. If you insist upon facing Miquella the Kind, then I will run you through whoever you might be. Don't tarry now. Don't you dare approach Miquella the Kind. Needle Knight Ledder, Dryleaf Dane, and our allies will never allow this.
I am the Red Mane Prayer. The time has come. I could not hope for a worthier foe. This is our moment. Let's make it something to remember.
Lord of Marika, you two deserve to face the reckoning.
You were fine. In your heart, feeling a glorious battle. But yet,
of the pure blood, I stand with blade aloft, blood of fire, for the dignity of my lord and master Mold. Righteous tarnished, it appears that our interests have aligned. A balm upon my soul it is that we do not meet today. Now, my blade, watch closely.
I'm sorry for speaking to you as a compatriot when you stood before the withered arm.